with Sai. Cicadas are remarkable insects. They spend 13 or 17 years underground to avoid predators. They all come out together in massive numbers and feast on trees and lay their eggs. The baby cicadas go back underground to start the cycle again. The reason behind their 13 and 17-year cycles is fascinating. These numbers are prime numbers, which means they are only divisible by 1 and themselves. This clever trick helps cicadas avoid predators who have shorter, regular cycles. Next time you hear the buzzing of cicadas, remember their incredible survival strategy.